You got a real fast one. There you go. Walk backwards.
That was 100. I'm the old fucking speed, babe.
Faster, faster. Keep your rod up, baby. Yep. Keep reeling right there. Stand right there against the side there. Let it right here. Bring it all the way up to the rod.
Am I in the way?
He ain't ready yet.
I didn't think so. Oh, it's on a diver.
Might have to come right there, yep.
Ready? Here he is.
Net stuck.
I'll dive. I'll dive.
I'm not sure how you got out of that, Tina, but I commend you too.
I was just gonna go right over.
Did it hurt?
Are you okay?
I'm good.